Thanos has the biggest army in the universe. And he is not gonna stop.
I found somebody. I think she's gonna be big.
In a way, I feel as if my whole life has been leading up to this. I was a candy striper, and in high school, I helped raise money to start a gymnastics program at the Zion Orphanage in Jerusalem. Raised $700. So, I started work today. A new job.
Who's putting coffee grounds in the disposal?
And it was crazy.
This is a very impressive gathering.
Try to save as many people as we can.
Hello?
Got a blip on my screen here. You left New York? Remember, I'm watching you.
Well, I like them.
Now, relax. Odds are at least one of them has late-stage syphilis.
What?
I don't know what she's doing or where she's going.
Just because he's attractive doesn't mean he's unqualified.
Of course it does. To be truly effective, you must be ugly.
You know what? You should take more of an interest in what's going on here.
Get out of the tub.
Hey, Cap, we got a situation here.
I'd suggest we say a prayer for him now.
It's all going to end in peace and happiness.
Wow, where's the fainting couch when you need one?
I think it's great that there is an elite force of women warriors.
You are fucking it all up with this cockamamie alternate universe party bullshit.
You could have been dead and dismembered in an alley.
Oh my God.